Hello people, in this video tutorial, we will talk about what is questionnaire and how to create a questionnaire in Moodle. What's the difference between questionnaire and quiz in Moodle? When should I use questionnaire? When should I use quiz? Keep the following key points in your mind. First, if you don't have any correct answer or suggested answer for your question, such as, what's your name? What's your employee ID? Use questionnaire. Second, if you already have a correct answer or suggested answer, like tips for your question, questions like how many types of buyers we have talked about in this course, which following action not belong to active listen, use quiz. Third, questionnaire questions are created directly inside activity. Quiz questions need to be created in question bank first, then imported to the quiz activity. Questionnaire is like a survey in Moodle. Now, let's take a look on how to create a questionnaire in Moodle. Go to the module you'd like to add the questionnaire. Turn the editing on. Select questionnaire from Add Activity. General. Name the questionnaire. Every questionnaire activity in our online course will have an instruction paragraph, same thing as the quiz instruction paragraph. Go to the Moodle questionnaire documentation to copy the HTML text of the paragraph. Paste it in description area. Don't display it on our course page. Response options. Respondent type. Attention. If you'd like to share the questionnaire response with all your students, I would suggest you select Anonymous for this option and change the option for students can view all response. If only you and the respondent can view the specific response, then leave it as full name. Restrict access, same as quiz activity settings. Activity completion, completion tracking. Show activity as complete when conditions are met. Student must submit this questionnaire to complete it. Advanced settings. What if we want a specific email account get notification every time there is a new response submitted on this questionnaire? How can we set it up? Click on the gear icon. Select Advanced Settings. Here we have two options, confirmation URL and email. What's the difference? There is not much difference between them. The difference is taking sending email as an example. Email is who you write the email to. Confirmation URL is who you CC the email to. When you're finished, click on Save and Display. Edit questionnaire. Click on Add Questions. Here we have 3 questions. The first one is a text box question type. Same instruction as how to create a question in question bank. Require the response. The second one is a multiple choice question type. In questionnaire, we don't have multiple choice. For multiple options allowed question, we use checkbox. For one option only question, we use radio button. Here, we use radio button. Editing a questionnaire question is much easier than editing a quiz one, because questionnaire options part is not that sensitive to formatting. The third one is a confirmation sentence. We need respondent to take a box in front of the sentence to show that they agree or understand something. Here, we use checkbox question type. Input confirmation in question text area and put the sentence in option area. Once it's finished, click on Preview to preview your questionnaire. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions or comments, please write below to let me know. Thank you.